Sometimes the right thing to do is the more difficult thing to do.
Sometimes the right thing to do is the more expensive thing to do.
And sometimes the right thing to do can be flat out exhausting.
Those two words are the key to everything. It's really easy to say all the right things. Everyone in our industry sounds really good.
But doing right takes time, extra care, and more expertise.
It's a true commitment. It's a pride in a job well done.
Every customer knows it when they see it, and they all appreciate it, even if some are more expressive than others.
Anyone can talk about effort and hustle, but at Tire Discounters, it's in our blood.
As soon as that car stopped, you'd bolt for the car as quick as you could, trying not to look like a madman, but running for it frantically. You're here, you're here, you're here.
Customers, they could afford to go anywhere, but they chose to come to us. We had to make sure they came back, so we had to go above and beyond to help the clientele that was in this original area.
Each Tire Discounter store is an approachable neighborhood store, but one with big britches on. We are simply the best qualified group around.
Training is the key. We have TDU, and we run classes daily, and we ask everybody in the company to go through those classes in various different areas, service, alignments, sales.
That's right. Changing tires. Balancing tires.
It's a full-fledged effort. It's in a 40,000 square foot building in Sharonville. It's a big deal.
We put them in a 3-week program to where we cover every single detail of how we go to business. It really takes a lot of practice to do things right. It takes a lot of effort to do things right. And we want to make sure that when a consumer comes in, because of our great reputation, that they get exactly what they're paying for.
People come in the first week and they think they want to be in the automotive business, and it requires a tremendous amount of work.
When we hire in a lot of competitor or industry-specific folks that have had 15 years experience in the industry, a lot of times they don't make it in our environment because they can't get their mind around not overselling or trying to find things wrong with a vehicle. They just simply don't understand our culture of doing things right.
Ever wonder why Tire Discounters competitors haven't all started offering free alignment?
The easy answer is that free alignment is not easy. It's kind of a big deal. And again, it takes time, care, and considerable expense.
But Chip Wood saw an opportunity to do the right thing, and Tire Discounters has never looked back.
But I knew there was an element missing, and it finally dawned on me that everybody that bought tires needed to have their car aligned. So voila, wait a minute, can we do that? I mean, because that's what customers want and need. And from that point on, in 1997 actually, we started aligning cars for free every time you bought a set of tires.
That was a risky move. I remember when you came out, I was at Beachmont Avenue, and you said, Jamie, I have an idea I want to try. And I want to give away a free alignment on any set of tires. And I told him, that's the dumbest idea I've ever heard of, without raising our tire price. The training that we had to do, we held weekly training, sometimes 3 times a week, to make sure that our folks were the alignment experts, that we knew how to talk about the thrust angle and the toe wearing conditions of a vehicle. So we really quickly became industry leading.
It wasn't just a free alignment, it was the best alignment you could possibly get.
Lifetime rotation and balancing. When Chip Wood started that policy, nobody else did it. But long-term tire maintenance is crucial for his customers to operate safely and get full value for their tires. When you add lifetime maintenance to free alignment, our customers receive almost $600 in free necessary services for the life of their tires. How's that for the right thing?
But even after everything we do to serve our customers, occasionally, believe it or not, issues do still come up. And when they do, we listen, we hustle, and we fix the problem. In fact, every customer issue is sent directly to the store and is then sent to everyone, including Chip Wood, and the company president.
We have a relationship with our customers. It's built on trust. It's just a natural outgrowth of the way we do business. We listen, and when we respond, it's never to oversell or to tell the customer what we think they want to hear.
It's kind of like the way you'd act with your brother or sister. You'll do anything for them.
But you'll be honest if they need to know the facts.
The largest tire store chain in the country very simply jacks your car up with floor jacks when you buy tires and slaps 4 tires on. And they can do that in about 15 or 20 minutes. That's not us. We aren't just going to slap tires on your car. We're going to very carefully put new tires on after we make sure everything is 100%. The rims are clean, the valve stem mating surface is where it should be, as clean as it should be, and that your car is properly aligned. That takes time, and it's unfortunate because nobody wants to spend time buying tires or sitting in a tire store. We get that, but to do the job right takes time.